So just click into your robot or whatever object you want to manipulate. And then for this particular object, it's the Z. We want to rotate about Z. So the way these work is Z, you have your X, your Y, and then your Z. And so then you have your X, your Y, then your Z. Then you can kind of think about it like this. You have your X minor, your Y minor, and your Z minor. Uh, to kind of help kind of keep things in line. So like whenever we rotate about R, it's going to rotate us about the Z. So we're going to go ahead and put in 180 degrees, apply, and notice the robot is flipped around to the other side. So now the front of the robot is facing our conveyors and whatnot. Yeah, this robot has some type of issue going on with it. I'm not familiar of a M710 that has the ability to just travel through the backside of itself. Definitely strange. But being able to manipulate any object's position, it's as simple as double clicking on the object